We can agree that most of the companies handle different business processes in their daily life, like finance, procurement, HR, warehousing, and so on. And it's also true that these companies use different systems to manage these processes. But it matters what systems they use to manage their business areas. How is your life with or without ERP systems? For the case if it's the first time you meet with ERP systems, I prepare you a small example that answers this question. So, this is the story. We have John. John leads a company named Magic Book that deals with selling books. So, he sells books. In this company, in one single person, John manages the finances, so he manages the bills, the wire transfers, and all the other accounting tasks. On the top of that, the procurements, so he negotiates with the vendors or the publishers about what the books he wants to purchase and the required volume. Besides this, he manages the warehousing, he handles the new consignments, and he performs the yearly inventory controls also. And if it's not enough, he deals with the customers, and additionally, he is the controller of the company because he often creates weekly reports about what are the bestseller books and how successful the last campaign was. To handle these activities, he uses different business software like accounting or stock management software to manage the finances and the inventory, Microsoft Excel to track his sales orders, or a calendar to memorize the date of the deliveries. So, John is able to lead this company. Everything goes on its way and everything is fine. However, John wants to grow and improve his business. He wants to sell more books and thereby generating more revenue. Johnson realized that he reached his boundaries. He is not able to handle more customers or vendors, and he realized that he needs to grow in order to generate more revenue. For this, he introduces his new bookstore chain and opens 4 new additional stores in different cities. And he commissions Mary, Carl, Bob, and Jess to be a manager of these stores. In each stores, he hires 5 additional employees to handle the local procurement, warehousing, and of course the sales. So John expanded his business to 5 bookstores, and the number of employees grew from 1 to 25 employees that can generate more revenue, but it also requires more efforts to manage. With the increased resources, the company starts to expand its customer base. They start selling more books, work with more vendors, and create more complex campaigns. But unfortunately, the huge, long-awaited revenue never came. He quintupled the resources, but he only generated hardly twice as many revenue as he carried the business alone. So John started to examine what is the problem and why Magic Book is so inefficient. John realized that he is not able to lead the company like this. He doesn't get a complete picture of his company. He is not able to tell immediately how many open orders the company has right now, or he cannot report about the available stock, or the trend of the revenue, since all of this information lies in different systems and people. And this is all because they use separate systems. Sometimes they use different systems even locally, so John cannot access real-time enterprise data. The knowledge and the responsibilities is shared among different employees. On the other hand, they do many unnecessary repeated tasks because there isn't anything that forces the rules and control the different business processes. In this model, Carl is able to sell or manage his warehouse and procurement totally differently as Bob or Jess that would lead to quality and efficiency problems, like delays in delivery, not the right books will be delivered, the order will be never processed, and problems something like this. Furthermore, the separate systems often results, so to say, multi-version of the truth. That means Mary, Carl, or Bob can see different data in the systems. Because these systems are loosely coupled, there is no integration between them that results many misunderstanding, mistakes, quality and efficiency problems. And if you are not able to keep your business processes under control, then you are not able to improve the quality and the efficiency of your processes. So John realizes that without any well-organized integrated system, he is not able to control the business like this, make the right decisions, and manage his employees efficiently. John makes the decision. He revolutionizes his company and starts to manage all of their business processes in one single integrated system called ERP, contrast to the previous separated systems. He also asked his employees to work in this centralized system instead of managing the processes in the old local systems. What magic book gains using an ERP system? From now on, all of them get an immediate insight into real-time business data. They can report about the actual state of the open purchase orders, the actual inventory, or the latest daily sales data, since both John, Mary, Carl, Bob, and Jess manage their data within a single centralized system that each of them can access anytime they need. In addition, ERP systems are able to automate the processes and thereby accelerating the sales, procurement, and warehousing processes that results in a rapid customer service and many satisfied customers. Thanks to the central database and the process automation, if John gets an order from a customer in a local store, then the salesman only needs to sell the book. No need to manage the inventory, like reducing the stock volume, or updating the finances, or anything else. It happens automatically by the system. And the most important thing is that from now on, John is capable to make the right decisions based on real-time and quality data, and in addition, control, track, automate, and improve his business in an efficient way, and thereby generate more revenue. Sorry, there is one more benefit that I forgot to mention. John can eliminate the unnecessary explanation rounds and can enforce to use a common language with an integrated centralized ERP system, thereby paving the way for the single version of the truth. The single version of the truth means John, Mary, Carl, Bob, and Jess work on the same master data, with the same customer, vendor, or product master, manage the same inventory, procurement, and warehouse data. We discussed some of the benefits using an ERP, so I think it's a time to summarize what ERP exactly is. ERP is the short form of the Enterprise Resource Planning, but actually ERP is more than its name implies. ERP systems are intended to help organizations in a company to collect, manage, and share their data from a wide range of business activities like finance, HR, plant maintenance, quality management, warehousing, or more others within a single and centralized database, and providing only a single of truth. With the help of an ERP system, we can take control of our business through proven pre-built standard processes and workflows, like we can track our orders in real time in the sales module, or we can get a real-time insight into packing and shipping processes in the warehouse management, and take control if it's needed. Thanks to the central and integrated database and to the transactional data, we can track and measure our processes in order to discover our strengths and weaknesses. The next one in the line that an ERP system can offer us is automating the repeated and time-wasting tasks and thereby freeing some resource up that we can use to further improve our business. Through collecting quality data, controlling, tracking, measuring, and automating the core processes, we are able to improve the quality and the efficiency of our business. And thereby, we can run our business better and be a leader of the market. ERP is not a single product, it's rather than a collective noun. There are tons of ERP manufacturers on the market, and most of the manufacturers have multiple ERP solutions also. So choosing the right solutions is a serious challenge. For the sake of the simplicity, I only introduce you the top 3 players in the ERP market. The market leader in ERPs is the SAP. SAP provides various solutions like SAP ERP, SAP Business All-in-One, or the SAP Business One for both small, mid-sized, and large enterprises to run their businesses better. The next one in the line, the Oracle, that is mostly known as its relational database, but it also manufactures different ERP products for the market like Oracle Financials or the GD Edwards Enterprise One. Finally, the Microsoft with its own product named Microsoft Dynamics. Microsoft Dynamics also provides solutions for both small, mid-sized, or large enterprises. In this course, we are going to focus on the market leader supplier, only the SAP and its solutions. SAP is a huge enterprise software manufacturer in Germany who helps companies to innovate and grow through its software solutions. To understand what is SAP today, we need to know its history that I will share you in the next few minutes.